What is up, you guys? It's your boy JanC. Always nice to see your beautiful faces. If you're new to this channel, great to see you. I make motivational and informative videos to help you get through life like a maniac, or a JanC, as I refer to it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button to become a true JanC and join the Motivation Nation. Du weißt, was es ist. Motivation, Manda. Quote of the day: how to make a schedule you'll actually follow. I bet you're a bit like me. If you're gonna make a schedule to be more productive and finally get all those boring chores done, you write the stuff down and think to yourself, tomorrow I'm gonna be proactive and finally clean the whole apartment. Now, before you do that, you should begin by asking yourself, what kind of schedule am I really setting up by writing this down? Well, I have to do this, and then I have to do that. And after a few things, I honestly just get irritated and distracted because who the hell wants to do all these things I have to do? Wrong! First rule of a schedule: it's not a damn prison. Second rule of a schedule: set the schedule up so you have the day you want. That's the trick. Yeah, that actually makes a lot of sense. Alright, I'm gonna set up tomorrow like it's the best possible day I could have. How should I plan that? Now, if you manage to do this right, the goal of a well-scheduled day is that you're not in a worse shape than you were at the beginning of the day, because that would be a stupid day. If you have a bunch of those in a row, it's like digging a hole and then burying yourself into it. It's a horrible strategy. Make a schedule that you like by negotiating with yourself. Okay, so about 60% of my day should be responsibility and obligation, depending on how productive I want to be in correlation with my goals. What's the right ratio of responsibility to reward? The best way to do that is by asking yourself that question, just like you'd negotiate with someone who is working for you. Okay, we have to work tomorrow. Well, what are you gonna do for me that makes it likely I'll work for you? Because I just wanna go to the gym, do some Netflix and chill, and then go to sleep, man. Interesting. Alright. So, we write a Motivation Monday script for 50 minutes, then we meditate for 10 minutes and repeat that 3 times. Then we edit a vlog for our second channel. Then we finish a productive day by working on our website and ebooks. After that, we do some other stuff. Then we go work out at home. And last but not least, we eat dinner and watch YouTube, and then do some Netflix and chill. You just got yourself a deal, young man. Well, physically we are the same person, so technically we have us a deal. Really? You want me to change my mind? Oh god, no, we've never been better, man. Yep, that's what I thought. Now, this whole conversation is vital to the schedule, because you have to negotiate with yourself like you're negotiating with someone that you care for and you want them to have a good life. That way you can look at the day and think, if I had that day, that would be a good day. Now, of course, you have to remember that, random stuff comes up. You're anxious, useless, and horrible, and procrastinate like you're getting paid for it. So you'll most likely only hit the schedule with about 70% accuracy. But that beats the hell out of 0, even if you hit it with 50% accuracy. The rule is, aim for 51% the next week, or 50.5%. That's still a damn miracle. You could have just stayed home and played Fortnite and tweeted memes on the toilet all day. This mindset is detrimental because, let's be honest here, you're a bad employee and an even worse boss. You don't know what you want to do, then when you tell yourself what to do, you don't do it anyways. You should fire yourself and find someone else to be. The point is that you'll get your life more and more together, until you hit that position where things start to loop back positively and spiral you upwards. Now, if you take the time to do what I just demonstrated, I promise you'll be pleasantly surprised of how well it works. And now you know how to make a schedule you'll actually follow. Thank you for watching this till the end. Now, what's gonna be easier if you wanna see my next video? To hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video, or having to search for my channel every time I put out a new video? What sounds easier? Now thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you like what I do on this channel, hit that subscribe button. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, week in life. Keep crushing it, and I will JanC see you later. Peace out.